We are green on the field. Drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, rush!
Autonomous doesn't get a whole lot of love here. Homicide, look at that. Yeah. Picking up a can, getting that ready. At least they're getting prepped nicely. Fetchy's going to try to pick up a can, but there is no points scored there in Autonomous. So let's see if 20 points makes a difference in how the rankings change. So there goes Homicide. Right away they've started up. It looks like they've modified their robot to make sure that their very first stack has a can on it. Scouts do pay attention. A very consistent machine. As is Frog Force over on the red side. Let's see who's going to get a stack of 6 first. I know one of those stacks might have a noodle in it. There's Frog Force. That's 6 times 2, 12. Triple it for the can, and it is 42 points. And Homicide also scores it with a stack of 5 that's tripled, and that becomes 30 points. And there's 2590 Nemesis. Kilobytes working with the can over in front of the landfill. And Elkologics has a can that they're starting to put on. They're going to put it on top of Fetchy. Techfire making their stacks 2 by 2. Here comes Homicide. Look at that conveyor belt. Slowly build it up. Kilobytes putting noodles in cans to help their teammates out. Nemesis loading from the backside. Here comes Frog Force. They're getting ready. Nice, consistent machines. It's a 6 stack for Homicide. Tough to push out there. They've had a problem pushing it out. They usually don't build it that high, but there it goes. And here comes Fetchy. Homicide's going to build another stack. Frog Force lays down yet another stack of 42 points. Is that the... Is that the sound the frog makes? 30 seconds left. Nemesis going for another stack. Homicide still building theirs. This will be 3 stacks that they might put out this time. Techfire has capped off theirs on the blue side. And here comes Frog Force, going to go for their 3rd one. Nemesis is having a little bit of trouble with this match with 17 seconds left. How are these teams going to finish off? Can Homicide score any more? Are they out of containers? Looks like their mechanism might be stuck a bit. And there we go with another one from the Force with 3, 2, 1. Tough for Techfire. The results of the match coming up right now. 166 for red and 158 for blue. And so you can see that effect. Remember, anything under 200 points, you're below the halfway mark. All the arrows are pointing down on these. But Scouts, you know it's not all about just the numbers. You got to look at the individual performance and how the teams work together. You Scouts are going to be really, really busy now. I hope you have your act together. It can make a big difference.